Hello, this is the EmptoSight dashboard. You see the summary of what we have here: personas, population, and simulation numbers. And here you see the personas that we created from the imported data that we have. If you click on the persona, you see a brief description of what each persona is about. Here, what you see here is that the shopping behavior, the channel preferences, and the demographics, and also some motivations of each persona. Let's create a new population, which is a combination of different personas. You can create new population. Here you can drag and drop, and you see the, for example, you can see the mixture of each of them. What you want to do is, for example, if you want to have different mixtures, you can do it by yourself whenever it's 100% is ready to go to create a population. But we need to write a population name, YC demo, and create a population. And here I have the population. We can see it here, and the survey. Now we can go either create a new survey, it's very easy to create one, or we can also go with the survey that we already have. You can download it, and you can also upload it later on. You can give the context about the brands that we have in that survey as well. So here, let's create a new simulation. You need to select the population first, and then the survey that we are looking for. Here, if you would like to see what is the reason that each of the synthetic user give these results, give this answer, we can click on it, and it is a very deeper understanding of it. While it is running, we can just check the other part of the product, which is give you some insights from the survey result we already have. For example, this is the results which is using the one of the surveys. The user asked what kind of campaign I should target to Gen Z with under the light of the survey result I have. So let us check the status of it. So we see that over 1,000 population, 24 of the synthetics users says that they are going to watch World Cup. 16 of it say that they are going to watch it. And what kind of snacks they are going to consume. Right now, very small portion has already answered. 3% has already answered, and it is Coca-Cola is leading, but it is, since it is still running and it is changing in each iteration, in each answers. Right now, 50 synthetic user we received answers, and 23 of them say Coca-Cola, and healthy snacks is behind, but in the next iteration the things are changing. So this is what we have. Thank you.